Morning. Look at them all. I did come out to feed them. That's the golden one flying there, I think. So let's get a little bit closer to them. So yeah, I did come out to feed them, but they're over here. It's very noisy, unfortunately, because there's a road in front of me. So let's zoom in and see what's going on. And then a little bit. Very beautiful, and they got green necks. Purple and green necks, like rainbows. Oh, look, he pushed him off. It's a Dalmatian pigeon there, I think, and he said, look, please. I saw him push him off, I'm sure I did. So there are people walking past. He wants to be on top. He nearly slipped off, that one did. Very slippery on that roof, isn't it? Very steep, you know. I'm surprised that they can... I bet they fall down sometimes. But that is the Dalmatian pigeon. It's got a little bit of green on the neck there. What's going on? See what else is going on. There's the white angel wing pigeon. Is it Perky? That's Perky. I always recognise Perky, it's funny. It's Perky the pigeon. Yeah. It's got a purple and green neck. Very windy up there today. I'm surprised they're up there. But like I say, birds, they all love the wind, don't they? Look what's going on here. That's a male, look. Look, see, look, he pushed him off. Pushed that one off. Look, there's a bit of a... Look, there's a male. Look, you can tell the males, they go up and down like that. There are loads of people walking past. Look, they had a little fight there. There's definitely a male. Look, now look, he's really... he's showing them, oh, he's the boss. That's definitely a male, that one there. Look, that one's sort of like sitting down. I don't know what's going on there, but they're spinning around. He's having a real dance. That one isn't. Oh, look, he's pushed that one off too. Look. You're gonna push Perky off or what? Oh, look, there's a seagull jumped in. A herring gull. What's he doing with the pigeons? That's funny. I wonder why they all sort of they're not sitting near him. That is a young herring gull. They're really big. You know, you think like that herring gull is younger than the pigeons by a lot, probably. So there's a herring gull joining the party, the pigeon party. See what else goes on here. So these are my sort of hometown pigeons at the moment I'm filming, you know. And as I say, I've only just started really sort of recording these pigeons, and I'm going to go out in different towns and try to get to know them in the future, you know. Yeah. So it's funny that is. Where's that? I can't believe it. He thought he'd jump in. He thought he'd jump in the middle there and join in the pigeon party. It's funny, isn't it? But there you go. Look at that one there. Quite white. got white wings. Don't know where the white ones have gone. There are 2 white ones, but I can't see them at the moment. So there's a heron gull just joined the party, the pigeon party. He thought it'd land right amongst the pigeons there. You notice they're not standing there anywhere near that. I don't know why. They know it's not a pigeon. Okay, that's it from me. Have a good day. Thanks for subscribing to me. I love all birds. Hey, they're gone.